Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn something exciting and new, that is interactive simulation. Before we dive into the topic, first of all, we will learn about what is interactive simulation. Interactive simulation is basically a dynamic tool that allows the students or learner to engage directly into the visual system or process to explore the concepts, to test the scenario or solving the problem. Actually, there are the few variable component. A student can control these component to learn different outcome of a process or a system. So why we need these interactive simulations? Basically, most challenging thing for the teachers today is to attain the attention of the student. If a teacher somehow manage to attain the attention of a student, students start losing interest in the lecture or the topic. So that's why you have to do something like that which able to retain the attention of the student. So you have to increase the attention span of the students. And the second most important thing, that is the retention of the information. So students are mostly spending their time on the social media, so you can make the understanding of the student with the interactive simulation, so they will enjoy the learning or concept with the use of the interactive simulations. Interactive simulations is very important in every field of life. These days, if we see to any kind of the driving school, they are using the interactive simulations for training the driving process. And aviation also use the simulations where they have the interface like a real, but there is an animation in front of, so they can test every condition without risk of the life. So these interactions are using in every field. So all we need to go to some kind of the search engine, just like Google or Google Chrome. So I'll go to with the Chrome. Now you have to put the address of the website www.simulation.com. You can see it is already in my search history, so I have to click on it. So here it is, FET-Colorado.education. You will have the interface like this. It is an interactive simulation for the science and math. There are many websites like this, but this is the totally free, so that's why we are exploring this. If you will ask for the further exploration of the other platform for the simulations, we can talk about it. Over 1.7 billion simulations delivered. Here you can see the subjects like physics, mathematics, chemistry, earth, space, and bio. So we will go to one of the subject, but before this you have to complete a little bit process of the registration. This is you can see on my screen, here is a registered now. So you have to click on it. You just need to complete a small sign up process for the complete access of all the simulations. So you have to fill up for that I am a teacher, I am verified that I am 13 years of age or older. After that, I agree to the privacy policy. Then you have to click on the next. Here you can see the information, primary email. Then you have to re-enter the primary address. Secondary email address is optional. Then you have to create the password for your sign up, and then you have to enter your first name, last name, country, and city. After you have completely signed up for this, you can access all the simulations. So let's back to our subject wise simulation. So we will select one of the subject to see how it works. So I'll click on the physics. Let's see what kind of the simulations we have here. You should prefer the use of laptop if you have, because most of the simulation require a strong supporting system, but you can also observe on the mobile. Let's see how it works. I have recorded this video on a mobile phone, so it will be easier for all of you to see it, to observe it. So let's see. So I have selected the topic simple pendulum, because all of you a little bit know about the simple pendulum. In a simple pendulum, there is a bob, a mass, which is suspended with a string. So we have a three kind of interface like this. There is an introduction, energy, and lab. So in this way we can see energy will tell us about where is a in the simple pendulum what kind of the potential, kinetic energy, and so on. So let's see what is in the intro. So here is a simple pendulum. There is a bob suspended from a string. So in the right top corner you can see there is a block, there is a mentioned length and mass, and there are a play button on both sides. On clicking the play button you can change the length of the string, and in the second thing is the mass. You can also change by clicking on these play buttons, mass of increase or decrease. So in the second block there is a gravity and friction also mentioned, so we can change it. So basically we have to find out the time period of this pendulum, how much time it will take to complete one back and forth position, and that is the time period. Actually the formula of time period is T is equal to 2 pi under root L over G. So it depends on length on gravity. So if we change with the help of these button, length and gravity, so we can observe the time change in time period. And the second thing that we have, see, that was what kind of the energy change. So we will see what kind of the changes take place in the this pendulum. So we have to click on this interface. You can see if I displace this pendulum ball from its original position and let it go, so you can see there is a change continuing in a kinetic energy, potential energy, and so on. So by controlling these factors, you have the option of also a stopwatch. By clicking on it, you will calculate the time, how much time it have to take to complete one its swing. So this is the interference stimulation of the simple pendulum. So I will go to the chemistry. Let's see what kind of interactive simulation chemistry here. So You can see model of the hydrogen atom, build the nucleus, and actually these simulations are able to download, but you should use the laptop if you have, because these require a little bit strong system, so you can easily handle it on that. So here you can see there is a block on the right top corner, heavy, there is a purple color of the heavy atom, and there is a light red color, there is, it shows an atom or particle of the gas that is of the lightweight. And here are the some hold constant, volume, temperature, pressure, and so on. So we have to control these constant by clicking one of them. As we have studied in the Charles law, there is a pressure is a constant and V directly proportionality. So in the Boyle's law we have studied one V inversely proportional to 1 over P. So here is the temperature constant. So we can change or keep the one of the constant and see what kind of the change will take place. So first of all we will can see there is a hand pump for filling a gas in the container. You can see by clicking you can fill up the gas. Here is the, at the bottom there is a temperature factor. If we increase temperature, you can see there is a flame at the bottom container, and there is a thermometer on the right top corner, and if we continue to heat, it will burst that and gas is spreading everywhere. Or if we decrease the temperature, then the movement will slow down. And there is also a pressure meter, also barometer there is also, which will help to measure us the pressure. So by controlling these kind of the factor, you can ask the students to learn these things, and what kind of changes take place they can learn by hand-on activities. So these are very useful. So I request you to go to and sign up to the PhET simulations and select your subject and try to do different things. It's really very fun. When you are aware and you have become of all these simulations, you will definitely apply it more a good way or better way in the classroom. So thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.